Well, guys, we're going to be trying this mic again. I didn't think it worked before, but it looks like it's working now. I think the secret is I just can't touch it. See, if I touch it, it goes all crinkly. Can't twist anything. Anyway, so we have the mic on. We are working on this truck today, and guess what? We now have threaded rod through the hood. We now have the headers on. We have the cage in the truck. It's kind of bolted in, kind of not. I do want to tie it to the frame. I read the rules. It says no gas tank protectors, but I'm probably going to put one into it just for them to tell me to take it out. And the reason for that is I want to. I just want to. But we have to, I cut out a little bit of the firewall right here, but I really don't like where the coil is. I think that if the motor comes up, I think it's going to smash the coil off. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of cut the wiper tray out of this. And then we're going to be going from there. So there's still lots of work that can be done to this. But we're going to be getting a lot of work done to it today. So stick with us here, guys. We're going to be doing a lot of work getting this thing going. So stick with us. Steven is going to be coming out later today and doing a whole bunch of welding to it. So with two of us going at it, hopefully this can get done. But Steven does have to finish his car first. So there is kind of like a jumping back and forth. But we're going to be getting this thing done, hopefully, today. I have a huge list. It's not written on the truck. It's in a book. So we got this thing brought down. We got the firewall cut out a bit more just to help protect the coil. We're running the new brake lines, and we came into a little bit of a problem. See, these are the lines that came out. It's a little blurry. Sorry, I might have something on the lens. These are the lines here that came out of the master. And for us running these new lines, they're too small. So Steven randomly, there he is there, look at him, all determined. Randomly bought this random kit off Amazon a while ago, and guess what? The kit works. So I will see if I can try to find the kit, and maybe I'll try to link it in the description, but it's just a universal kit that Amazon sells. So, and it came with all the basic fittings of everything that we needed for the job. It has Camry, has everything that we need in there. It even had the ones that went into there, so I really like this kit. We are going to be able to get the brakes going because Steven randomly bought a kit that works perfectly that we need it to work for. So let's get this thing installed. We have been working on this thing all day. Steven has been pounding out a Camry. I've been working on this, and
Camry's done. This is 60-70% done.
We ran out of welding gas. I am tired. You guys can see that. I hope the new microphone is working, but anyway, we did a lot of work to this. I'm going to take a walk around to show you guys about it. Steven and I tacked the bumper on without gas. It looks super, super off-centered, but all the measurements said it's on center. So I think this is just going to be a running joke about my garage that we can't put bumpers on straight.
Maybe the body's just shifted over.
Yeah.
Blew out all the holes.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe the body's just so rotted that it's kind of going everywhere.
Yeah.
So what have we done today? We fooled around some more with the engine harness. We found out she's not running on 6 out of 6 cylinders. I spent 2 hours looking for my crank pressure exhaust system. Found it. Evacs. Found it. We got the transmission seat belted in. We got the cage in. We got the cage tied to the frame. We got the tailgate on. We got the rear bumper on. We got the front window bar on. We got the one door that won't stay shut, welded shut. Just 1 out of the 3 patches, 1 out of the 6 patches. Yeah, we did the tailgate.
I think it's pretty well.
Oh, we got the front bumper tacked on, but I'm pretty sure it's about to fall off. Yeah, there was just a lot of little things done to this thing today. Still a lot left to do. Mostly just small welding gigs. But we're going to be taking a walk around it so we can show you guys what we've done. Oh, I think we got brakes in it.
We'll see.
We ran all new brake lines.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if they got pressure. I sat in the truck a couple times and started it, but I don't think I ever pushed the brake pedal.
You put it in gear yet?
I did to move it.
Is it smashing the gear pretty good?
I may have touched the brakes. I don't know.
Oh.
I think I did touch the brakes because I hit the welder and then stopped.
Huh.
I don't know. Let's take a walk around this thing to show you guys it. So underneath the hood here, you can see the brake lines that we ran, and those are the amazing fittings that Steven just randomly bought off Amazon. We got the steering column put into it that I built. I moved all of the spark plug wires, but I don't think that they're sparking all the time. We got the intake on just to stop water from coming in. It's perfectly positioned to pull the heat right off that header into the engine.
We know this is unplugged.
Yes.
It's the bad one.
Yes. This is the definition of I know a guy that can run the brake lines cheaper. Yeah. But we did use the good brake lines, which is the nickel coated. We got the bumper tacked on, but so you see how much of the tire's showing there, and then you come over to this side, and that tire's like almost covered. But the measurements say that it's where it should be. We got the other hole cut in the hood. Coming around this way. Not only is this truck super rotted and rusty, it's also full of body fill. So that's kind of nice. Inside of here, we got the shifter bolted to the floor. We got the starter, the computer box bolted to the floor, the computer bolted to the floor. We have to put a better battery into it. We got the cage all in it. Got all the spots grinded while the door's shut. And then we got the tailgate put on. Now, the Avalanche actually comes with a plastic tailgate, but I sold this one. So this one here is off a half-ton Chevy, and it's actually metal. I don't know, it might be fiberglass on the Avalanche, but it kind of bolted right in position there, and it looks like it's color matched, so hopefully Tech doesn't really care. And we got the rear bumper on. The rules say we could have 3x3, but honestly, I found a piece of rusty 2x2. That is the exact measurement. It was half an inch longer than what it had to be, so we got it in there, welded in. Is it going to be better than 3x3? Absolutely not. But it's in there. Stepping over all the random pieces on the ground. We got this side all grinded up, readied. Oh, and look at all the body filler that came off of this thing. Oh, well. Oh. So we started working on this truck at about, I'm going to say 8 o'clock this morning, and it's, what, 6 o'clock now tonight? 7:15. It doesn't look like we got a whole lot done in that time, but I feel like I got a whole lot done in that time. Yeah, there's a whole other car outside that's built. As for my list, just got all the body fill off of there. Honestly, welded doors. I'm allowed to put 2 repair plates on, weld the bumper on, bumper plate. I have drive shaft because I'm still not happy with my drive shaft, but I pulled the drive shaft off another truck, and I'm going to contact another place. And honestly, other than that, that is our whole list. Guys, we've done everything on this list, and the only reason we haven't done those other stuff is because we welded out. Yeah, we ran out of welding gas. So we got the booster over here charging because tomorrow we're going to be starting it, but I'm not going to start it now because it's too late. And I think tomorrow what I'm going to be doing is just trying to do the spark plug wires, get it running a little bit better, make sure it's got good plugs in it, because I did change out the plugs. I think I only had 4 plugs, so I think I only changed the hard ones to get at, which is the driver's side. Maybe I put 2 of them back in the passenger side because I put Camry plugs in it. So I just got more Camry plugs in. So I'll change out the other 2 with the other Camry plugs. I'm not used to V6. Everything I have is 4-cylinder, right? So I don't know what to do. Like, do I have to, spark plugs comes in packs of 4. And I found out that all the cushions are gone in the seat. So it's going to be a very uncomfortable ride. I think I'm going to be putting a cushion underneath my butt. But I don't know. I think it's coming half decent. So thanks for watching, guys. This was a pretty long, productive day. And we do have the rules printed out, and we have been going through and highlighting the rules. So we are trying to find the gray, but this promoter seems to like to play on rule number, actually, it's not even a rule. It's just after rule 26.
You never did make none like that, eh?
I did. I think it's stripped. It's broken? Like, is it the cap or is it the bottom of the cap? Well, is it like broken in the distributor?
Oh yeah.
The rule that they play off of is officials' discretion is final. So, is it? Well, we're going to go investigate this. So, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. We'll see you back here tomorrow.